Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see a nice strategy with 3 indicators. Remember to backtest by yourself any strategy before trading with real money. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. Schaff trend cycle, STC. Laguerre filter. Exponential moving average. The Schaff trend cycle, STC, is a charting indicator that is commonly used to identify market trends and provide buy and sell signals to traders. We use the default settings. The Laguerre filter is a smoothing filter based on Laguerre polynomials. We also use the default settings. The 200-period exponential moving average tell us about the long-term trend. These are the rules for a long position. First, wait until Schaff trend cycle shows a green dot. Second, we have to wait until price closes above Laguerre filter and 200-period exponential moving average. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop-loss order at the Laguerre filter or at previous low. The take-profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, wait until Schaff trend cycle shows a red dot. Second, we have to wait until price closes below Laguerre filter and 200-period exponential moving average. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we can place a stop-loss order at the Laguerre filter or at previous high. The take-profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. Now let's make a backtest to this strategy. We will test it with the euro-dollar pair in a 4-hour time frame, and we will do it for 20 trades. Remember that you must test the strategy at least 100 trades before playing with real money. At the end of the video I'll show you the results of the backtest. These are the results of the backtest. The strategy has been tested on the Forex market and the euro-dollar pair. The time frame is 4 hours and the risk per trade is 2%. The win rate is 60% and the maximum drawdown is 4%. We increase our account size by 36%. Finally, the length of the backtest has been 346 days. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.